that Satan sent against you. He thought it could destroy you, but you realize that the promise that God spoken over your life, God said, I'm going to send my word out to bless you, and it shall not return unto me void. He said, I sent my word out, and it shall accomplish what I sent it out to do. I said it shall accomplish what I sent it out to do. And I don't know what you're going through this year, but I come to let you know that your best days are yet ahead. After all you've been through, you could have thrown in the towel by now. You should have gave up by now. You've been praying now, but get off of your knees and give God a praise. You got to learn how to praise your God in spite of the circumstance. You got to praise in spite of what you're going through. You got to praise in spite of what it looks like. You got to praise in spite of what the circumstance might hold. You got to learn how to speak to yourself. Don't wait till the next prophet get here. You got to encourage yourself. And the Shunammite woman said, you know what? I ain't gonna worry about this. I'm gonna take it to the man of God. And better yet, it's your problem now. Bishop, since you told me what my future holds, I'm gonna put it in your hands and you deal with it. And there's some stuff that you asked God for. There's some stuff that you didn't ask him for. But look at someone and say, neighbor. I said, neighbor, God said, this is your season. God said, this is your year for a miracle. You've been going through, you've been crying, but wipe your tears and preach to yourself. Wipe your eyes and encourage yourself. Lay hands on yourself and say, I'm healed, I'm delivered, I'm set free from the crown of my head, come on, Sheila, to the sole of my feet. I speak liberty, I speak prosperity, I speak deliverance. Understand what happens. What took place in the bedroom was a resurrection of a dead promise. I come to let you know, don't worry no longer. God told me to tell you it's already yours. Whatever you've been asking for, and even the things you didn't ask for, he said, get ready. You're too close now to give up. You're too close now to let go. Look at someone and say, don't let go. Yes, whatever you do, don't let go now. Come on, don't let go now. You've been through too much to throw on the towel again. You've been through too much to give up now. Can I go down? You've been through too much to give up. You've been through too much to let go. Even though you've been sitting in the pit, baby, get up and shake yourself. Baby, get up and speak to yourself. I said speak. I said speak. Yeah. Speak to yourself. Come on, speak to it. Whatever you're going through, speak to it now. Don't let it have victory over you. Speak to it now. Shake somebody's hand, but don't shake it off. And say, neighbor, I declare my best days are here. My best days are now. My best days is now. I got 5 minutes. We're going to have church for the next 5 minutes I got. Look at somebody say, hurt. That means God bless you. The next time you sneeze, that's a prophecy for you. When somebody say, God bless you, say, I'm already blessed, baby. Yes. Everybody, just do this for me. Step out of your seat real quick.